Come. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come, I want to show you something. Just take a look at this background now. How do you feel seeing this kind of background in your video? It looks kind of plain. It doesn't really connect with your audience. But how about we make it look this way? All right, you see how captivating it looks. You see how blurred it is. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. It is super simple to achieve this kind of background. Yes, I shot this video using my smartphone and I edited using my smartphone also. So I will be showing you this in just one click. So without further delay, let us go right then into the business of this video. If you have watched my previous YouTube videos, then you will definitely know what I'm about to say. So you have to have a good lighting. Yeah, make sure that the light in your video is super strong, like it should be connecting with you, the subject, and there should be good lighting. That is one. Then you should have a stabilizer in front of you. So if you want to know how I denoise my audio in my video, then check the description because I've created a video on how you can enhance your voice using this AI. So as a matter of fact, as I'm shooting this video now, I'm using my smartphone as my microphone. Yes, you don't see this because I put it down of me and I make sure I crop it out. So when I talk, I will record with my smartphone and then take to the AI app. That is why I say you need to go and watch that video. Check the description below and see how I do it. So with this being said, let us quickly go to the editing app and I will show you how to blur your background like a pro. Okay, so we are in the CapCut app. We are in the CapCut app. So I just want us to spend just this 2 minutes here. So that I want this video short and really short. You can see then I diffuse and ability in the background. You can see the view enhance. That's what I do. So you click on next click and then you click and then you click on media. So that was it. And then we go to Pro. And I believe you know all these things I'm saying. Indicate system by now to ratio. And then click confirm. You come to this point. It's the same interface with the smartphone, so don't be confused. I'm making use of system. It's just that it's more faster. It is the system than a smartphone. So do you know what I'm going to be making? See this particular video now, you will duplicate this one will be serving as a background, and this other one they are going to duplicate. You know, this is going to take time, so let's see. I'll just zoom out, the zoom through everything here. Okay, so you now click on copy and then you bring this one to the top. You place it and you bring this one as an overlay. Hope you're understanding me. Yes, sir. So what I'm going to do next is you will go to remove the background. This one you brought as overlay now. You will have to remove the background. So this will be the one with the subject. Then the text clip now will be the background. Will act as a background. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So you will click on auto remover. So you're going to click on some minutes more and it should be fast because I got this clip to 2017. So I'm going to pause this video and then not pause, I'll just have to pause and I will cut that. Okay, it's enhanced now. So let me click on V. Click on V to disable this particular. As you can see now, if I disable the first clip, you can see it doesn't.
Come. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come on to show you.
It doesn't have background anymore. So what I'm going to do now is see how I did it now. You will click on this first clip. You go to effects. Effect. I already you search for blur effects. I already added this to my favorite. So you will now drag and drop at this. You can see now how it become blur. You can increase the strength of the blur. If you want, you can increase the strength of the blur. But I love to leave this at 50, the way the default 50. So that's it. Then the other thing I always tell people, I think I'll create a video on this particular color grading.
Come. Yes, I'm talking to you.
Let's add adjustments. Yeah. Let's add adjustments. This. Yeah. And then scroll down. We pull this at I love to pull this at let's leave it at 15. If you want to see how you will do this, you go to click at this. You go to color what's the name of it? Color oscilloscope. So you can see this. You means you should add enough of blue. So I will go to this blue and add this blue here. As you can see now, then I will decrease. I will add more of purple, something like on this. Let me make it 45. Then I will go to saturation and then make this 45. So the green now is somehow. Then you scroll down a bit. You go to exposure. You leave exposure at 5. It's just about how you feel, how you want it. So I go to contrast. I leave contrast at 15. 15 highlights. Highlight should be 5. Shadow at why I want to add shadow like this. Shadow, let me just make it -5. I didn't add anything like black. The brilliance is, I don't like using brilliance, should be like then let's leave it at 5. 5. Sharpen. I make use of this sharpen a lot. I love to leave it at 10. Clarity, leave it at 10 also. And then we're done. Then I love to add something like figure. Let me just make it 1, just like something like it should be. So let's click now to see the before. See, this is the before, and this is the before, and this is the after. So you see. So let's close this let's hide this now. So you see, let's play.
Come. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come on to show you something. Just take a look.
So you are seeing it. That is how to blur your background like a pro. So we are literally done, but let me turn on this video. Like, make it.
Come. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come on to show you something. Just take a look at this background now.
It will look blur here because of it's I render I'm rendering it in some of 720p. So that's how you do it. And after that, you go to export, and then you export your video.